Hello, and welcome back to Spectrum Sphere, the place where we explore a diverse world of discovery together. Today, we're diving into the art of organizing your home. If you're new here, or if you've been with us before, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content. Let's get started. Today, we're focusing on a task we can all benefit from: home organization. Effective organization can transform your space, creating a more peaceful and efficient environment. Whether you're drowning in clutter or just looking for some new tips, this guide will help you declutter and optimize your living area. Stay tuned. Decluttering goes beyond just physical space. It has profound effects on mental clarity, too. A cluttered home can lead to a cluttered mind, where stress and anxiety flourish. By organizing your space, you pave the way to a more serene mental state, enhancing focus and overall well-being. Before diving into the decluttering process, it's crucial to have a clear plan in place. Start by setting achievable goals for each space in your home. Consider the time you have available and decide whether you'll tackle one room at a time or go category by category. Planning sets the stage for a successful decluttering journey. Now, begin the sorting process. Create 3 distinct categories: items to keep, items to donate, and items to discard. Keep only those objects that serve a purpose or bring you joy. Donating is perfect for items still in good condition, while discarding should be reserved for things beyond repair or use. Let's focus on one room at a time. It can be overwhelming to take on the whole house, so choose a starting point. Whether it's the bedroom or kitchen, clear the space of any items that don't belong there and start sorting. This targeted method helps you see progress quickly and keeps you motivated. Now, create a sorting system with bins or labels. This helps you quickly decide what stays and what goes. Use different colored bins or tags, for example, green for keep, yellow for donate, and red for discard. Labeling these clearly will streamline the process and prevent second guessing. When sorting through clothes and gadgets, apply the 1-year rule. If you haven't used an item in the last year, it's likely you don't need it. This rule excludes seasonal items, but works great for identifying which items just take up space without adding value to your life. Now that you've decided what items you no longer need, it's time to discard them responsibly. Donate usable items to local charities, recycle what you can, and properly dispose of electronics and hazardous materials. Remember, one person's trash could be another person's treasure, so consider sustainable options whenever possible. Sentimental items often pose the greatest challenge. To honor your memories without the clutter, keep only those that truly bring you joy or are irreplaceable. Consider digitizing old photos or creating a special memory box for smaller keepsakes. This way, you preserve the sentiment while freeing up physical space. Moving upwards, utilizing vertical space can revolutionize your storage. Install shelving units, hanging organizers, or wall-mounted baskets to elevate items off the floor. This not only maximizes your living area, but also keeps things within easy reach. It's all about going high and mighty with your storage solutions. Now, let's unveil the magic of drawer dividers and organizer trays. These simple tools can turn a jumbled mess into a neatly arranged space. They help categorize your items and make it a breeze to find what you're looking for. Say goodbye to the endless digging in drawers. Moving on, let's not overlook the role of furniture with built-in storage. These pieces are game changers, blending functionality with style. Think beds with drawers, ottomans with compartments, and entertainment units with ample shelving. They're perfect for keeping your belongings tucked away, yet easily accessible. And speaking of space savers, underbed storage is a hidden gem in organization. Slide-in bins or drawers are perfect for stowing away off-season clothing, extra linens, or shoes. This keeps them out of sight, yet orderly. Make sure to measure the clearance space to find bins that fit snugly. Moving upwards, don't underestimate the power of your walls. Wall hooks and over-the-door racks are excellent for hanging coats, bags, and even jewelry. They're not just functional, they can add a decorative touch. And for your towels and hats, over-the-door solutions save space and keep these items easily accessible. Clear storage containers are game changers for staying organized. By easily seeing what's inside, you'll save time hunting for items and reduce the chance of overbuying. These transparent bins are perfect for any space, from closets to pantries, making every inch of your storage work smarter, not harder. Now that you've got your clear containers, it's crucial to label each one. This small step makes it effortless to find what you need without rummaging. Invest in a label maker or use a simple sticker system. It's not just functional, but also adds a sleek, uniform look to your shelves. Now that your space is beautifully organized, let's ensure it stays that way. Regular maintenance is key. Assign everything a home and return items after each use. Schedule a brief weekly review to straighten up any areas that might be getting cluttered. Consistent upkeep will help preserve your tranquil, organized environment. To prevent clutter from creeping back in, incorporate simple daily habits into your routine. Start by dealing with mail and papers immediately. Designate a spot for keys and wallets, and do a quick daily cleanup of living spaces. These small steps, taken regularly, can stop clutter in its tracks and make organization a natural part of your day. Building on your daily habits, establish weekly routines to maintain order. Set aside time for a thorough cleaning session, declutter hotspots, and reevaluate your organization systems. Regularly purging items you no longer need and making sure everything goes back to its designated place will keep your home neat and organized. Moving on, let's embrace the digital age to reduce paper clutter. Convert to online billing, scan important documents, and store files in the cloud. Apps for creating digital notes and reminders can also replace sticky notes. By going paperless where possible, you'll free up physical space and streamline your organization. Now, one of the most effective habits you can cultivate is the 5-minute daily tidy up. Set a timer for just 5 minutes each day and quickly put away items, wipe down surfaces, and straighten up. This small investment of time can dramatically maintain the orderliness of your space and prevent clutter from accumulating. Involving your children in the organizing process not only lightens the load, but also teaches them valuable life skills. Create a fun organizing game or reward system to motivate them. Give each child a specific task or area, turning decluttering into a teamwork exercise that the whole family can enjoy. Organization doesn't need to break the bank. Let's explore some budget-friendly storage hacks. Use mason jars for small items and shoeboxes as drawer dividers. Repurpose an old ladder as a bookshelf. Get creative. Upcycling common household items can give them a new lease on life as storage solutions. Stepping into a well-organized home can do wonders for your mental health. It reduces stress and anxiety, giving you a sense of control and accomplishment. Clutter is visually distracting, and by minimizing it, you create a peaceful environment where your mind can relax and focus better. Now that your space is decluttered, let's explore how this fresh environment can elevate your productivity. A clutter-free space isn't just pleasing to the eye, it streamlines your thought process, reduces distractions, and paves the way for a more efficient workflow, thereby significantly boosting your productivity. If the task at hand feels too overwhelming, or you simply cannot find the time, it may be worth considering hiring a professional organizer. These experts can provide tailored solutions and systems to maintain order in your home, making the process hassle-free and ensuring long-term organizational success. And now, we'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, share your personal organizing tips and tricks. What strategies work best for your space? Your suggestions could be a game changer for someone struggling to declutter. Let's build a community of organized and inspired individuals right here on Spectrum Sphere. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap the essentials. Declutter by category, use storage wisely, label for ease, and maintain with daily habits. Implementing these strategies can radically transform not just your space, but also your state of mind, opening the door to a more organized and peaceful life. And that's a wrap on our home organization journey. I hope these tips help you create a more serene and tidy space. Thank you so much for watching Spectrum Sphere. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more diverse discoveries. Stay organized and see you next time.